In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect boards in Monday.com. Whether you're new to Monday.com or just looking to enhance your workflow efficiency, connecting boards can significantly streamline operations and improve team communication. This simple process only takes a few minutes, so let's jump right into it. First, let's make our way to the Monday.com homepage. From there, you'll want to log into your account. If you typically use a Google account to access Monday.com, simply click on the Google option and select your Google account. This method ensures a quick and secure login experience, especially if you're juggling multiple accounts. Once you're logged in and settled into your dashboard, it's time to navigate to the board you want to work with. This board is where you'll be adding connections to other boards, allowing for a more integrated approach to managing projects and tasks. Now look carefully at your board. You'll see a plus icon that sits in your table. This icon is essential for making any modifications or expansions to your board's columns. Go ahead and click on this plus icon to start the process of adding a new column. In the menu that appears, you're going to select the option that reads Connect Boards. This feature is particularly useful for teams needing to create links between various projects or departments, offering seamless data sharing and greater project visibility. After selecting Connect Boards, the next step is easy. A prompt will appear asking you to select boards. Click on this, and you'll be presented with a list of available boards you can link to your main board. Carefully choose the board you want to connect. This step is vital as it ties together the data and tasks from both boards, making collaboration much more efficient. Following your selection, you'll see an option to create a two-way connection. By activating this feature, updates made on one board will automatically reflect on the other, ensuring real-time synchronization and saving you the headache of manually updating each board. Finally, once you've confirmed your board choices and connection type, click on Connect Boards to finalize the process. And there you have it. Your boards are now interconnected, allowing your team to work smarter and manage their time more effectively. Remember, by connecting boards in Monday.com, you're essentially setting up a more organized and collaborative workspace where information flows freely between teams. This not only improves the clarity and efficiency of your operations, but also helps keep everyone on the same page. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your Monday.com experience smoother and more productive. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section. Until next time, happy organizing.